right, you ready to warm up your mouth? You ready? Do you remember? Do you remember what he says? A. Are you doing the alphabet? You try. I want to hear you say A. Good job. And our short A says, there's our short A, says ah. Good job. What about this one? What does it say? E. And our short E, what does it say? Eh. Good job. What does this guy say? I. You remember. And then our short I. What does our short I say? Very nice. Oh, what does this guy say? Oh. Oh, with our big round mouth. Oh. Do again? Oh, oh, you do. Do one more. Beautiful. And then we'll do our short O. What does he say? Oh. Ah. Good job. Last vowel guy. What does he say? Good job. Reach with those lips. Ooh. Ooh, I liked those lips. Do it one more time. Ooh. Good job. And our short U sound says, remember? What does he say? Oh, you're so smart. Easy peasy. Okay, let's go through these super quick. Our panting puppy dog sound. Remember? I hear it. You too. Good job. Oh, our fish sound. Remember what he says? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. You do. Good job. Can you reach with those lips? Look at my lips. That was awesome. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Beautiful. Reaching with your lips. Ooh, our popcorn sound. What's it say? You do. You try. Beautiful. This time I want you to look at my lips. See how they're coming together? You do. Lips together. Oh, that was so good. Do one more time. Lips together. Beautiful. Beautiful. That was beautiful. And hot. Is the fireplace hot when there's a fire going? Yes, you see it. Let's do the bunny sound. What sound does the bunny make when he hops? Remember? Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Good job. Here, let's have you sit back this way. Sit right here. Oh, there you are. Can you do ba, ba, ba? Ba, 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 ba. Good job. This time I want you to focus on putting your lips together. Ba. Ba. So good. Let me hear it again. Ba. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, ba. Uh-oh, lips together. You can do it. Ba, ba, ba. Show me those lips together. Oh, I see your Thomas. That's pretty cool. All right, ready? Show me those lips together. Ba, ba, ba. Uh-oh, I don't see lips together. Let me see lips together, remember? Lips together. Ba. Ba. Oh, beautiful. Ba, ba, ba. Ba. Oh, hold on. We're going to keep all those together. Let me hear ba, ba, ba. Lips together. Ba. Beautiful. All right, let's move on to this guy. Oh, the blender sound. When Mommy makes smoothies in the blender, what does it say?
Mama.
You started out like this, and then you put your lips together like mum. Beautiful. Let me hear it again.
Mama.
Beautiful. Oh, easy peasy. The ticking clock sound. We use our tongue for that one. What does it say? T, t, t. You do again. Beautiful. Oh, when the raindrops come down, when the raindrops hit the leaves and the flowers and the grass, what sound does it make? What sound does it make? You know. Here, let's sit down over here. Ready? Yeah, we can see you. Let's sit down on our bottom. And let's get through these. You got it. Ready? Sit. Okay, how about crisscross applesauce? Oh, see, there's handsome Levi. Ready? You do. Da. Oh, stay right here. Listen, stay right here so we can see you. Da. Oh, beautiful. Uh-oh, the yucky sound. When we step in mud, what does it say? Ew-wee. It does. How about yuck? Beautiful. Oh, here's the teeny tiny little car engine. When we turn it on, what does it say? You are so smart. You remember. Good job. Na. That's right. Oh, the dinosaur stomping his foot on the ground. What does he say? What does the dinosaur stomping his foot on the ground? Well, okay. Well, let's take your sock off. That's fine. What does the dinosaur say when he stomps his foot on the ground? You know. What does he say? Way in the back, remember? That's right, feel. You do. Good trying. Look, Levi, open up big and wide. Look. You try. Good trying. I hear that trying. I like that trying. What about the frog? He says ribbit, but when he's relaxing on his lily pad, what does he say? Here, it's okay. Let's put him back here. What does the frog say when he's on his lily pad? Remember? What does he say? Levi, look. G. That's right, feel. G. You do. Back, use your tongue in the way in the back. G. G. You try. G. Good trying. Oh, here's the water coming out of the hose. Beautiful. Here's the vacuum sound. V. Beautiful, V. The water coming out of the faucet. Shh. Beautiful. Oh, the piggy bank sound. The piggy bank, we put our coins in the piggy bank and they say ch, ch, ch. Beautiful cha-cha-cha sound. Oh, there's the giant. He stomps his feet on the ground and says j, j, j. Beautiful. Oh, our lightning bug sound. Our lightning bug sound we use our tongue for. You remembered. La, la, la. 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 Good job. And our snake. Oh, so good. And our sawing sound. We saw the log in half, and what sound does it make? Zzz. Use your tongue. I hear it. I hear you using your tongue. You turn on your voice box. Good try. Oh, I heard that voice box. Good job. All right, last one. Our growling bear. What does he say? Our back of our tongue is way high in our mouth. Oh, that was good. One more. Good job. High five, big man. Nice.